The decision to release radioactive water into the ocean is one fraught with complex environmental, health, and economic consequences. As discussions surrounding this issue intensify, it becomes imperative to delve into the potential impacts that such an action could bring about. While technological advancements have allowed for safer disposal methods, the release of radioactive water remains a topic of global concern due to its far-reaching effects. At the forefront of these concerns lies the potential ecological disruption that radioactive water could cause. Radioactive elements introduced into the marine ecosystem can infiltrate the food chain, triggering a chain reaction of negative consequences. The uptake of these elements by marine organisms could lead to imbalances in ecosystems, impacting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Contamination of marine life is a significant concern as these organisms can accumulate radioactive materials in their tissues. This can disrupt marine food webs and pose health risks to both aquatic life and those who consume these organisms. The consequences extend beyond the marine environment to impact human health and the economy. Consumption of contaminated seafood poses a direct risk to human health, as radioactive particles could find their way into the diets of coastal communities and beyond. Long-term exposure to low levels of radioactivity increases the risk of radiation-related illnesses, particularly cancer. This health threat raises public concern and could lead to restrictions on fishing and seafood consumption, significantly impacting the fishing and aquaculture industries. Economic losses from these industries would ripple through local economies and communities that depend on them. The ocean, a vast expanse that has long inspired awe and curiosity, is now the canvas upon which a complex dilemma unfolds. The prospect of releasing radioactive water into its depths, a consequence of human technological progress and the unforeseen challenges it brings, has ignited a global debate with profound ecological, economic, and social implications. As the world grapples with the aftermath of nuclear disasters and the decommissioning of aging power plants, the decision to release treated radioactive water into the ocean has emerged as a contentious solution. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant stands as a poignant example, a relic of a catastrophic event that shook the world. Yet, today, its legacy persists, overshadowed by the sobering reality that a colossal volume of radioactive water occupies its premises. The ramifications of this choice are multifaceted. First and foremost, the environmental consequences cast a shadow of uncertainty over marine ecosystems. Radioactive materials, once released, can permeate the delicate balance of underwater life. From the tiniest plankton to the mightiest whales, the specter of contamination looms, potentially altering the very essence of the ocean's vitality. As currents carry these isotopes across borders, the transboundary nature of the ocean accentuates the shared responsibility of nations, evoking concerns of diplomatic tensions and transnational cooperation. Human health emerges as a paramount concern, intertwined with the interconnectedness of life in the oceans. Contaminated seafood could cascade into communities, infiltrating dinner tables and livelihoods. The bonds between humans and the sea, once symbiotic, are strained by the weight of uncertainty and fear. Consumption of tainted fish raises the specter of elevated radiation exposure, inciting anxieties of silent yet potent health risks, with cancer at the forefront. Economically, the ripples of this decision spread far beyond the shoreline. Fisheries, often the lifeblood of coastal communities, face potential devastation. As fishing grounds are shuttered and seafood markets falter, the domino effect reverberates, leaving livelihoods and economies vulnerable. The tourism industry, too, faces a bleak prognosis. Fears of radiation taint the allure of once pristine coasts, as visitors stay away, leaving a void of revenue and a tarnished reputation in their wake. Beyond the tangible impacts lies the intangible erosion of trust. The veil of uncertainty surrounding the release threatens to erode the fragile foundation of public confidence. Regulators and industries find themselves navigating uncharted waters, grappling with the task of managing risks and perceptions in tandem. Transparent communication becomes a beacon of hope, guiding societies through a turbulent sea of information. Amidst the debate, an underlying truth emerges: the ocean is resilient, but its resilience is finite. Radioactive isotopes, with their lengthy half-lives, inscribe a narrative of persistence that could span generations. The legacy of a decision made today may well echo into the future, serving as a testament to our ability to balance progress with prudence. In navigating this complex conundrum, experts advocate for a balanced approach. Alternatives must be explored diligently, risk assessments conducted comprehensively, and communication maintained openly. The consequences are far-reaching, demanding a global conversation that transcends borders and disciplines. The intersection of science, ethics, and diplomacy beckons, reminding us of the intricate tapestry that connects humanity to the depths of the sea. As humanity grapples with this formidable juncture, the ocean watches, its depths a reflection of our collective choices. In the interplay of light and shadow beneath the waves lies a reminder of the delicate equilibrium that sustains life. The narrative of releasing radioactive water into the ocean is one that challenges us to navigate the currents of progress responsibly, lest we disrupt the symphony of existence that reverberates through the waters of our planet.